Picture this. You're floating hundreds of miles above Earth inside the International Space Station. The view is breathtaking, but your food? It's freeze-dried packets. Your air? It's recycled. And your home? Just metal walls. Now imagine walking into a small corner of the station and seeing a living, growing green plant. Suddenly, this sterile outpost feels a little more like home. But NASA isn't just growing plants for decoration. Plants in space could be the key to survival on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. And the reasons why might surprise you. Stick around until the end, because what NASA learned from growing lettuce and zinnias in space could transform not only future space colonies, but even how we form right here on Earth. If you thought growing plants in space was just a science experiment, think again. In space, plants are not just food. They're an entire life support system wrapped in leaves. They provide fresh oxygen for astronauts to breathe. They recycle carbon dioxide we exhale back into life-giving air. Their roots and special system can even help recycle water and filter waste. Think of it this way. Every plant is a mini machine designed by evolution to keep Earth alive. And now, we're taking those machines into orbit to keep humans alive where nature doesn't exist. Imagine being an astronaut on a mission to Mars, where the nearest resupply ship is millions of kilometers away. You can't order Uber Eats. You can't just run to a grocery store. Whatever you bring has to last. There's where plants step in. Lettuce, tomatoes, even dwarf wheat, all have been tested aboard the ISS. Fresh food not only gives astronauts vital nutrients missing from packaged meals, but it also provides variety, taste, and comfort. A single fresh leaf of lettuce in space can feel like a luxury dinner. But there's another layer: human psychology. Space travel is stressful. Long missions, isolation, and staring at cold machinery every day. Having something green, alive, and growing changes the mood completely. Astronauts report feeling happier and less stressed when they care for plants. Tending to a garden, even a small one, gives a sense of normalcy, like bringing a piece of Earth with you into the void of space. Here's the science twist. Plants evolved with gravity. Roots know to grow down. Stems know to grow up. But in zero gravity, up and down don't exist. So how do plants know where to send roots or leaves? NASA experiments show that plants adapt. They use light signals and internal chemical cues to rewire their growth patterns. Studying this teaches scientists not only how to grow food in orbit, but also how life itself adapts to environments completely outside its evolutionary history. The innovations we built for growing plants in orbit come back home. Hydroponics, growing without soil, vertical farming in controlled environments, and advanced recycling systems are all areas boosted by space research. What starts as an experiment to grow lettuce on the ISS could one day help farmers in drought-stricken regions feed entire populations. Space agriculture isn't just about the stars. It's about survival on Earth too. Now zoom out to the bigger vision living on the Mars or Moon. Without plants, it's impossible. You need them to create a closed-loop ecosystem, a self-sustaining mini-Earth. Picture greenhouses on the Martian surface, glowing under artificial light, feeding explorers while producing breathable air. In the future, farms may not be just on Earth's soil. They could orbit above us or stretch across other planets. And it all begins with the small seed experiments happening right now in space. So why do we grow plants in space? Because they're more than just food. They're oxygen factories, water recyclers, mood boosters, and research pioneers. Each plant growth in orbit teaches us how to survive in places humanity has never been before. From a single lettuce leaf on the ISS to vast farms under Martian domes, plants are the quiet partners in our journey to the stars. This is Orbital Vistas, where we bring you to the cosmos in 4K. one discovery at a time. If you enjoyed this journey, hit subscribe and let's keep exploring the universe together.